Hello, and welcome to the second section of our video course, Configuring TypeScript Project. In the first video, we're going to talk about TypeScript Ecosystem. So, the TypeScript code is written in a file with .ts extension, and then compiled into JavaScript using the TypeScript compiler. Despite the fact that the TypeScript code can be written in any code editor, a TypeScript compiler needs to be installed on your platform. Once it is installed, there are several internal commands which allow you to interact with your TypeScript files. Another thing that we should pay attention is our tsconfig.json file. The presence of a tsconfig.json file in a directory indicates that the directory is the root of a TypeScript project. The tsconfig.json file specifies the root files and the compiler options required to compile the project. A project is compiled in one of the following ways. First, by invoking TypeScript compiler with no input files, in which case the compiler searches for the tsconfig.json file, starting in the current directory and continuing up to the parent directory chain. And the second option is by invoking the tsc with no input files and the project or just p command line option. That specifies the path of a directory containing a tsconfig.json file. Because when input files are specified on the command line, tsconfig.json files are ignored. Also, it is important to mention that compiler itself has a lot of different options. We will look at them better in the next videos of this section. So, the TypeScript ecosystem is not very big. It involves only things as your TypeScript files, compiler installed on your machine, and a tsconfig.json file. Also, it is important to mention that in TypeScript 3.0, the new feature was introduced which is called project references. Project references allow you to structure your TypeScript program into smaller blocks. By doing this, you can greatly improve build times, enforce logical separation between components, and organize your code in new and better ways.